The Oregon DMV Accident Report is designed for providing comprehensive information for every circumstance of a traffic accident that led to damages in the amount of $2,500, injury, or death. pdfFiller provides you with an up-to-date fillable template of the DMV Oregon Accident Report form that you can easily complete, sign, and submit online. The Oregon DMV Traffic Accident Report form consists of 4 pages, but is always accompanied by 2 sheets of instructions and a supplemental sheet for cases with more than 2 drivers involved. Prepare your documents, try to remember the circumstances of the accident, and turn on the wizard mode to fill out all the required fields accurately. When all the checkboxes and text boxes are filled, use the cross, circle, arrow, or draw tools to specify the vehicle damage and depict the crash diagram. Once every field has been completed, examine all the information in the form once more, specify the date of filing, and e-sign your Oregon DMV Accident Report directly in the pdfFiller editor. Then, click Done to save the changes you've made. Choose what you would like to do with your document next. Print out the resulting document, share it with anybody via email, fax, SMS, USPS, or shareable link, send it out for signature, save it to your device, convert it into a template, or continue editing your document online. Give pdfFiller a try and start saving your time and resources today.